Hi, this is Carrie Grant, and on this particular video I will illustrate how to graph categorical variables for your Phase 1 report. So I'm going to create a bar plot for gender, so I went to Graph and Bar Plot. I have data, so I'll select With Data. I will select the column Gender. I want to have the percent displayed for each one of my categories, so I'm going to put percent. I do want to display the value above the bar, and I want to give this particular graph a title. So I will name it Gender of Students Surveyed. So I will compute this, and I've got a nice bar plot with the percent indicated on the top of each bar and a nice title at the top. I want to save this particular result, and I want to save it as result 1 because it'll be the first result that I will have in my paper, and I'll name it the same thing so I remember and I place it in the right position. I do not need to share it with anyone, and I will save. Therefore, this particular graph will be available in my results section of my personal StatCrunch account. I also want to illustrate how to make a pie chart. So again, I'll go to Graph. I'm going to go to Pie Chart. Again, I have data, and this time I'm going to select Social Media Website Most Visited. Now, for this particular graph, it will display the count and the percent of total, and I want both of those, so that'll be nice. I do need to come down and give it a title, so I'm going to name it Social Media Websites Most Visited. And once I have this typed in, I am going to copy this so I don't have to type it again. So Control C or Command C will copy it. I'll compute it. So here's my graph. I'll use this in my project. I'll go to Options. I want to save this again. This is actually my 4th result. So I'll call it Result 4, and then I'll name it the same thing. I do not need to share it with anyone. I will save it. Once again, this particular graph will be saved in my personal StatCrunch account under my results.